Hey, what's up guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I want to do a little short video on a Toyota 4Runner, a 2006 limited Toyota 4Runner, and what to do if your back hatch is stuck. So I was putting bales of pine straw on the back of my hatch, and the back hatch stuck. So when I hit this button under here, nothing happened. So you can see now that it is working now. But what I did, really easy, come around here. All I did was disconnect the negative. And really what I did is I took both of these off. When you take the terminals off the battery in your vehicle, it resets the vehicle, so to speak. So what I did is I took both of these off, put some WD-40 on them, cleaned them, put them back, and it reset the computer. And then all I did was turn the ignition, so the car's not on, but the power's on. And then I did a check of my locks and the back hatch window. And then the latch just came undone. So yeah, give that a try if you're having trouble. You can kind of see this thing is old. It's seen better days, we'll just say that. So it probably doesn't have much life left in it. So if this ever just goes bad and that trick that I just showed you doesn't work, I'll probably have to get in here and change the motor in there. So yeah, if you like what you see or hear, subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.